Welcome to our comparison video, where we will be looking at Ava and Kovo, two popular platforms in the market. We will compare them on various parameters to help you make an informed decision. Ava boasts a robust set of features, including real-time messaging, task management, and file sharing. On the other hand, Kovo also offers these features, but with an added advantage of video conferencing and screen sharing, which makes it a more comprehensive communication tool. Ava offers a freemium model with paid plans starting at $8 per user per month. Kovo, on the other hand, has a more straightforward pricing model starting at $10 per user per month. The price difference might be small, but it can add up for larger teams. Ava has a clean, intuitive interface, making it easy for users to navigate and use. Kovo, while feature-rich, has a slightly more complex interface, which may require a learning curve for new users. Both Ava and Kovo offer integrations with popular tools. Ava, however, takes the lead with a wider range of integrations, including Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and more. Kovo, while offering integrations, is slightly limited in comparison. Both Ava and Kovo offer reliable and fast services. However, Kovo has been reported to have occasional lag during video conferences, which can affect productivity. Ava and Kovo both prioritize security, offering end-to-end encryption. However, Ava provides additional security features such as two-factor authentication and single sign-on, giving it an edge over Kovo. Both platforms provide excellent customer support. Kovo, however, takes a slight lead with 24/7 support, whereas Ava offers support only during business hours. Based on our comparison, Ava emerges as the winner. It offers a user-friendly interface, a wider range of integrations, and additional security features. However, it's important to note that Kovo's video conferencing feature and 24/7 support are significant advantages. Thank you for watching our comparison of Ava and Kovo. We hope this information helps you make an informed decision. Please like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.